Hi there, it's Ken O'Keefe from the Ultimate Suspension. So today we're going to be doing the R&D on the NP300. The D23 Nissan is a very popular vehicle and it really needs suspension upgrade and an intercooler, and for the automatic to be carrying loads or towing, you definitely need the automatic transmission cooler. Now that the first stage of the R&D has been completed, that is the 3D scanning. The scans will be sent to HDI professional team to put it together for the prototype. We've now received the prototype and we're going to go ahead and fit it. But a few very important points are made. Number one, this is the first of its kind, a V-mount intercooler. And being a V-mount, better air circulation, reduces the angle of the fittings going back into the original piping. And when you see the quality of the brackets, 3mm stainless steel. The two brackets bolt onto it and easy to fit without modifying any of the hoses or lines of the original equipment. With the advanced fittings of the HDI, you can actually install the unit and still move the fitting towards the end to make sure there's all clearance. Now the installation is completed and it went exactly as planned. The R&D work that went into it originally has paid off. You can even install it without removing the bumper. But one big thing we noticed, when taking out the original intercooler, it was leaking, and in time that could cause some big problems. With the advanced fittings of the HDI, you can actually install the unit and still move the fitting towards the end to make sure there's all clearance. This one was a perfect fit, and now they've just come back from taking it for a test drive and it performed faultlessly.